Mortgage-backed securities with Doug Carroll.
Welcome to the session on mortgage-backed securities. We're going to introduce you to a variety of the more commonly encountered types of mortgage-backed securities, pass-through securities and CMOs, that is collateralized mortgage obligations, as well as a lot of the concepts used to assess the attractiveness of mortgage-backed securities and a lot of the details to help understand mortgage-backed securities and how they work.
An introduction to mortgage-backed securities, pass-through securities, and CMOs with details to help you understand MBS and how they work. This course contains 24 lectures in 4 sections, including Introduction to Mortgages and Mortgage-backed Securities, Pass-through Securities, Analysis of Pass-through Securities, Collateralized Mortgage Obligations. This is one of the most highly rated courses we have. Come join us.